loaded cucumber?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. That's going to be $5.
Cash out for you.
Yes. I get that right out to you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I saw.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How much is that unicorn snowball?
5?
5?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me get one of those. And then let me get the salty Texan.
Salty Texan.
You want that one instead? You can only get one. You want the unicorn or that one? Never mind about the unicorn one. Can I get the sweetest candy one? Sorry.
Sweetest candy. And is that it?
And then the loaded cucumbers.
Loaded cucumbers? Anything else?
That'll be it.
Okay, 15. There are 5 more. There you go. Thank y'all. Yes. A Frito pie? No. The water? It's gonna be $5. Get that right out. So let me get you a 14 There you go. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Can I get 2 hot Cheeto bowls and a Coke?
2 hot Cheeto bowls and a Coke.
Yes.
Okay, that's going to be 12.
I'm gonna cash it.
Okay, I'll get that right out to you. Yeah, the Coke. Let me get you forks and napkins. There you go. Thank you. The Ninja Turtle? What kind on the snow shake? Blue coconut? It's gonna be 14. There you go. Thank y'all.
Can I have a zombie, but can I have a blue? Can I make it blue?
What kind of blue? Blue cocoa? Blue cocoa?
Yeah.
Is that it?
And how much is that?
5.
5. Give me 1 Gatorade.
Gatorade?
1 Sprite. That way it's an 80-10.
Okay, and on the Gatorade, you want it red or blue? Blue? Okay. You want the drinks right now or?
When you're done.
Okay, I'll get that right out to y'all. What can I get?
You also said like blue coconut with ice cream?
We don't have ice cream.
No?
No.
Just the blue coconut?
Blue coconut? Okay.
Okay. What is this? Taste of the rainbow?
Do you have regular Sprite?
No, that's the only one we have.
What is it? Oh. I guess that taste of the rainbow?
Taste the rainbow?
Yeah.
You have the what do you have in your Coke?
And then a regular blue coconut?
Regular blue coconut.
So taste the rainbow and a blue coconut.
Okay, so just the blue coconut and taste the rainbow, correct?
I'm sorry?
Just the blue coconut and taste the rainbow, correct?
Instead of the blue coconut, can I get the Cookie Monster one?
Cookie Monster?
Yeah, she changed mine. Sorry
Okay.
about that.
No, that's fine.
Nothing card?
Yes.